Welcome, YouTube. Hope you guys are okay. Yeah, I hope everyone had a good week. We've got a very, very, very interesting week ahead of us. Wait, is it even live? 1 second. It is live. Okay, beautiful. There we go. We're live. Yeah, election fun, which I'm not gonna try and go too deeply into it this live stream. I'm just gonna basically say that I won't be trading Tuesday, won't be trading Wednesday. There's no point trying to get on the other side of it and trying to catch some stupid move that you're realistically not going to be able to catch. And I don't have a clue what's going to happen, to be honest, because last election, the last one, I think I was trading for about 6 months and I didn't have a clue what was happening. I was just like, oh shit, the market's moving a lot. What's happening? Oh yeah, there's an election. I didn't look into any deeper than that. So, to be honest, couldn't really tell you what's gonna happen, but I know like the rough side of it. Ish. Let me just post this live market breakdown. Bang. Beautiful. Stars the old thumbnail. Shit. We're trading USD peso. USD MXN. This bad boy. Let's see if it's. Oh shit. Was that NFP? I mean, it's NFB, but that's a little pre-election rally. Look at that. This thing is going to the moon. Let's see what happens. It's already starting. It is. It just broke these highs. Was that? Oh, that was okay. That was COVID. Jesus, I thought that was the last election then. Whew. Was that the election? September? No. Was that it? That was it. It dropped 10% in a few days. In 3 days. I mean, it did like +3, -6, and continued. I think that was the election, probably. But fuck me, COVID. Jesus. But anyway, yeah. You aren't buying USD in that currency. You're investing into the concrete of the Texas. Yeah, that one. That's the one you're investing into. USD CHN. Don't have a clue what that one is. What is this? Don't even tell you. Offshore Chinese. What? Oh, is it yen or that's how you pronounce it, right? Yuan? Yen? Yuan? Yes, yen. Thought so. Don't want to sound like a. Interesting. He's going to slam tariffs to China. There you go. Get on a fundamental trade. That's like, this is where you make the big money. Seb was saying about this as well. The trades he makes his most money are like the big fundamental trades where he mixes the tech and the fundamental. And you only get them like once a year type thing. But when you do get them, maximize on them because that's when you can make like the silly percentages. You just open one live account with a few hundred that you're willing to lose and just go full margin into that one trade. That's it, just like a few hundred. Or like try and, I mean, you can't really do it on a funded account, but like if you have one spare funded account, just go crazy on it and just go for that one big swing, like fundamental tech driven trade. Probably smash NZD and Aussie. Yeah, it would. Yeah, because they're trade partners. So last week, how did everyone's week go last week? Because I'm pretty sure it should have went fairly nice for most people, apart from Tux because he dipped. He left MCR. One trade break even. Okay, never mind. I'm down 3 trades, break even. 2 W's. There we go. 2 stop losses and 1 win. Close 4 positions early, but all hit TP. Nice. Okay. Well, like fairly okay-ish. Passed my first ever phase 2. Why didn't you say? Oh, last week. Beautiful, Baldwin. Beautiful. Nice, man. Fat W. Nice. That's what we like to see. Didn't go for GA. Float. Yeah, same. First one out of plan X for everything. That's fine. Yeah. That is good, man. That is beautiful. You're on the rise. So, GJ had a break retest. We had crazy, I think it was pound flows on that day. Yeah. Thursday 1 o'clock. I'm pretty sure pound was dumping. Thursday 1 o'clock. Yeah, so there's quite a few trades that I mean, they're beautiful, beautiful. So I mean, GJ had this break retest, which I know some people took, but it did a little bit too much drawdown. Yeah, just tap stop loss. What are your thoughts on aggressive break? This one? This break retest? Or are you on about both? No, I didn't really like it. I think that's, I wouldn't even look at that as a break retest, to be honest. I don't know. I think that's a little bit too sudden, because even so, that level is only like 70 pips. Yeah, I know. But, I mean, I'm not a massive fan. I'll say that. I don't know. I'm slowly getting there. But that's way too aggressive for me. If you caught the buys on here and you're in profit, yeah, fair enough. But if you didn't catch this, then I don't see much point for going for that. Because this is obviously the way nicer trade. Like, if you're not taking a nice trade, why are you taking the shitter trade? It doesn't make sense. But if you did catch this, then if you have a runner or whatever, it may as well risk a few, you know, a little bit of profit on this one. So yeah, that's fair, but no, I wouldn't just take that as a normal trade, especially if you didn't catch the nice one. So GJ now, you do have obviously the high, which, I mean, again, is a little bit aggressive. If we have alignment, then yeah, sure, I'll take it. But, oh wait, no, never mind. It's the election next week. So don't actually know about that one. Let me just mute this. That's that. There we go. Got the YouTube chat up. But I'll just talk about the setups as if there's no election, because yes, if there was alignment, I'd take that. I don't think there's really anything else. We don't have like, I need to start drawing trend lines, but I don't like trend lines. The only trend line is this one, which has been broken. So I don't see any trend lines really, unless you want to go like, no, that's probably not a trend line. Every trade idea tonight will end with, oh wait, there's an election. Yes, exactly that. I don't even know why I'm doing my analysis tonight, to be honest, because Tuesday is just going to destroy it. Let me see what happened like last election on just GJ, for example. Let's just see. I know obviously it's completely subjective as to, you know, what's going on around that time and who's coming in, who's not. Guessing it was that. Must have been that, right? Unless it was this. Did nothing, and then a few days later we saw a 300 pip move. Surely we must have seen like some, it must have been that 1 4-hour candle, unless it was like this 3rd of November. Trump won his, yeah, to be fair, yeah, when Trump won in 2016. Let's see, just a quick check. That's an intervention, I was gonna say. Well, it must have been November. I'm guessing it was this 9th of November. I mean, it rallied, and by the looks of it, most levels got. Oh no, to be fair, some did. It must have been either this gap over the weekend, which did nothing, but no, it was definitely this candle. So it did like, okay, a 500 pip level. Whoa, okay. Let's go to the 4-hour. So it saw a bit of a dip, 350 pip dip straight into a 4-hour level, and then went bam, 500 pips. Okay, let's see if we can find a pattern. 2012, it dumps into a 4-hour level and then goes crazy. I'm just gonna check this and then we're done. I promise. This? No, literally nothing happened. I don't know. Yeah, but I mean, I'm not gonna take any stupid trades, to be honest. I do have a little £200 account that I could completely degen full margin and just hold like a 1 to 20 or something stupid. It is tempting. No, I mean, I need to do more research anyway. There's no point just doing it whilst I'm on live stream for an hour. I'll do some proper research tomorrow. But I highly doubt I'll do that. So yeah, this is literally all I'm looking at for GJ, really. There's nothing much at all. And yes, most of these are probably going to get absolutely smoked. So I'll just draw my lines, and there's no point actually looking for, oh yeah, there's a fib there. This one works beautifully. Did anyone take this GU break retest? Because this had GA. Well, GA had GU had GA, whatever. GA had the beautiful, I should have taken this, to be honest, because to be fair, I mean, no, never mind. It didn't really slow down, but it wasn't too bad. GA break retest 38 fib. I know a few people took that one. Worked amazingly. And obviously had driver alignment GU. Because obviously it was pound flows. GU tapped into a level. GU made the move. Everything else followed. See you later, JJ. Hope you're good. I hope you're good. Hope you have a good week. That's what I was going to say. But yeah, EMA, break retest works beautifully. Then you have the backup with the SMA and the level. This one works so nicely. Now, all I'm looking at really is these and also this one. Obviously, we broke this low, so this becomes nice and valid now. But there's no fib really. Everything is so fucked up here. So you have the 38, but then you have this level above, which you try and cover. So that's when it gets a little bit awkward. Obviously, this is GU, so major no-go, even on Monday. I don't think so. Because I don't know what's going to happen on Monday. That's not this week. Is it? No, don't think so. I mean, there's no news on Monday. But one day before the election, I'm pretty sure we're going to see some funky moves. So I don't think it's even worth trying it, to be honest. That's a 50-50. It would cover that second level. So that, I mean, that could work with a 38 and level, backup level as well, psych level. This is nice. I mean, I wasn't super keen on this, but it's kind of grown on me. And if we do see a smash of these, then that would be a nice backup. But only if we smash these. If we respect these and there's no fib or anything, I don't think I'll go for that level. I think I'd rather wait for this big break retest up here. I mean, it's not really a big break retest, but it is a break retest. So yeah, there's nothing too exciting on GU. Small cells, but yeah. GA break retest obviously worked. Now, fib wise, the buy fib, I know some people were looking at that, I'm pretty sure, but I don't like that at all. I'm not looking at that. Fib useless. This is literally all I have. This, that, and then that. That's it. Thought this was at 9. 9? No, on it's normally 8 o'clock, but the time change happened. So for some reason on Discord it said it started at 7 o'clock. So I think you went opposite way round. Yeah. It's recorded anyway, don't worry. It's recorded. And I'll try and keep it quick-ish. Yeah, I don't have anything on GA. Literally nothing. Yeah, I can't really see much either, Emma. EGN. Oh yeah, I deleted all my analysis. Shit. That. Nah. That. I mean, I'm gonna draw it there, but no, don't really like it. And then obviously if we whack a fib on it, that's fine. Awkward as shit. Nope. Fib's useless. Do we have like some weird trend line or anything? Nope. That's miles away. Do we have this one? Nope, miles away. Do we have a more recent one? Shit, technically. Ooh, little trend line tap there. Can we do a little duplication of that? No, that's not going to align with anything. Could we see the highs? Do something like that. And then technically the... Oh, shit. That. And then technically the low of that was... Oh, shit. I mean, that's not going to align with anything anyway. I don't like trend lines. I really don't like trend lines. Yeah, nope. So, yeah. GM might have the EMA, to be fair. But, I mean, again, miles away. EN. That break retest actually worked very nicely, which, yeah, is aggressive, to say the least. But, yeah, I didn't take that. Break retest. Break retest. Just normal level. Yeah. God, man. I'm actually excited for this election, so prize can do some crazy shit and we see some new levels, hopefully. Leon, do you know how I can add another account onto C-Trader under the same login? I have the new Alpha Capital 100k, but I don't know how to add the new one, so I can easily switch between them both. Don't know. If you just go to C-Trader and check the top right, normally you can just click. I don't want to go on it because I'm not even logged in anyway on my PC. I should be. I don't know why I'm not. But if you just go to the top right, normally it has the little drop down, and I'm pretty sure it's somewhere in there. There should be a YouTube video or something. Yeah, you definitely can because I have 3 different accounts. But I don't know if you can add different brokers. Obviously, all mine are just live personal accounts, just IC Markets ones. But I don't know if you can add like separate brokers, prop firms, that type of thing. You must be able to, surely. So just type it on YouTube, it should come up. Unless they have a video, or if you ask support, it should help. For this, again, you have the trend line, which I'm gonna draw from here. Hey, we could actually see a little trend line break retest. Oh my god, I could take a trend line trade. That'd be so exciting. That can ping on top of there and align with nothing. Oh my god, we could actually see a trend line trade. Well, no, because we got the elections. Never mind. Apart from that, this fib doesn't really line up. You do have that fib, which is that most recent push up, which the 50 bang on. That's actually really nice. We need it to tap on Wednesday, which I don't think is going to happen. EA's got the best setup. Ooh. Okay, let's see if we can find what you're looking at. I've already found what you're looking at. No, I haven't. Ooh, what are you looking at? I mean, you've got the 61 fib up here, which, I mean, election does some crazy push, taps into this level, could be nice. Let's get rid of that, Let's get rid of that. Trend line, no. Just gonna get rid of that. I mean, what? Break retest? It's so annoying though, because yes, with both EMA, but it's a bastard at the same time, don't you think? I mean, you've got that. Does that? Yeah, that's valid. None of the fibs line up like bang on. They did originally. But here, where are you putting your stop loss in your entry, Lytix? Because to be honest, I think the EMAs are going to move away. I think you're going to have to just do that and enter at the break retest, because I think these two are going to probably fuck off a little bit more before we see price tap into this zone. By the looks of it, they're already moving away. That one is and that one is. But then you obviously got the risk of price tapping at EMAs and doing its thing, which I wouldn't... What? I wouldn't really want to enter at the EMA, because then you're barely given any room for this second break retest. Oh my god. So I think I'd enter at the break retest and hope for the best with those EMAs. But yeah, I do like that. I do. Okay, nice. Yeah. Yeah, give that a check. Nice. Go back to test EA and see if it takes EMA plus fib. What, without key level? What do you mean? Or do you mean like level and EMA? Oh, without key level. Oh, shit. And that's when you can change your tiers. Yeah, that's nice. I like that, but we'll see what happens this week. Apart from that, that's obviously worked. I'm sacking that off now. This is nice with a 61 fib, which is surprising that it has a 61 fib, to be honest. Oh, okay. 61 fib is a little bit bigger. There you go. That's the zone. But if so, we could potentially see a nice break of this straight into this one. Break previous level and a level. That's it. I don't need anything else. Literally just this level without the fib. Why does it keep on doing that? But to be fair, it does have the 61 fib. I kind of just did forget about that. I'll ping an alert. And let's see. Yeah, and obviously you got this buy as well, so I'll whack an alert on down there as well. So you got the buy and you got the sell. Beautiful. No fib though. Tuesday, but I don't know how it works in regards to when do they actually announce it. Because sometimes, you know, like the UK ones, it was meant to be on like a Wednesday, but it didn't happen until like, I don't know, early morning the next day. So it can take like days, hours, sometimes even weeks for them to actually sort out the vote and stuff and count them or whatever. This I do like on gold. 38 fib, the big daily 38 fib. It does have the 4-hour EMA, which, yeah, could go for it. And we have obviously the EMA. I already said the EMA, didn't I? EMA and big 38 fib. Yes. 50 might have to go a little bit more election week. So obviously you have to probably go 60. Then you have this level here, which would be a pain in the ass if this one works and then this one failed and then this one worked. I guess you could go for that as a backup level, but you've got no confidences apart from break a previous level. So, I mean, that is technically also a valid level then. Shit. It's a valid trade, sorry. So I guess you have the backup there. But then it's like, right, okay, do you just instead go for like one of these bad boys where you go something like that, which would be what? 3.1, 1.6, 1 to 1.6 for that trade. Could do something like that, but obviously this is gold. This is probably going to move insanely fast. Hello, Jesse James. I'm good, man. How do I trade election week? I don't. that's the good answer. Yeah, I probably will just try my best to stay away. This was gold. No, I'm guessing it was here 5th and 9th. 5th we saw a pump. 9th it's dropped almost 1,000 pips. Poof. Imagine if that was like a setup as well. Let's see if it is actually. No, it wasn't really anything, was it? Imagine if that was like a level, EMA level and fib or something. Yeah, and then we saw this secondary tap as well. But yeah, no, I'll probably try and stay away as much as possible. Hope Trump wins. Trump moves the market. Oh, fuck, I forgot about that. Do you guys remember when Trump used to go crazy on Twitter and Trump would literally post a tweet and like the entire markets would move? Gold would go crazy. Like, why is it gone crazy? There's no news releasing today. Oh yeah, Trump tweeted. Like, he used to go crazy. Got a 78% win rate on gold and backtesting and 0% on live. Nice. That's good, light takes. That's good. What? How many trades are you taking on live though? You've only taken one, right? 2. I mean, that 4-hour break retest you took during heavy news or heavy flows. And the other one, I don't know what it was. All-time high. What? This? What do you mean all-time high? As in this tap? Because if so, that worked. Unless you meant like 75. 2775. Guessing it was that. I didn't know, but it failed. Fair enough. Yeah. Yeah, she will be, won't she? Yeah. I'll be pretty much being a full-time trader just from monitoring Trump's tweets and catching the momentum. Could work. You never know. So yeah, gold has got that beautiful 4-hour. Even with just the fib. 4-hour plus the fib. That's it, valid trade. You do also have the EMA, which is nice. So yeah. DXY, I mean, there's no point even looking at levels on DXY. But yes, here's a few levels. We got some additional levels up here. Here. Get rid of that one. So we'll see what happens, I guess. You'd always have that break retest there, actually. Stocks. This was a beautiful level as well. Oh, this was... Never mind. This was when we were looking for buys. Shit, the break retest, that worked beautifully. Oh my god. Yeah, it worked really nice. Again, I'm not really bothered about looking at levels for this because I'll wait until shit happens and then I'll go for it. USD JPY. This is a new pair that I think I'm gonna actually integrate because I've been backtesting it heavily and it's working fairly nice. I can't lie. This I'm pretty sure is a miss. Yeah, I'm gonna count that as a miss to be honest. 50 fib of that most recent push up with the SMA as well. Super nice, but missed by 24. Did 130, so I'm counting that as a miss. Are you looking to trade on US 500? No, not really. I don't think so. I think I'll just stick to like gold, oil, silver, Forex. I don't think I'll ever trade DXY or S&P 500, US 30, anything like that. Yeah, I think I'll just stick with Forex. What are your UJ results? I mean, I've not finished it yet, to be honest, but I mean, it's like 100% win rate, I think, or 90 something percent win rate. That's all the UJ. A lot of misses. So I've not actually taken that many trades, but 7 wins so far. A shit ton of misses. Again, not all of these trades are trades I'd actually take. Some of them are just testing out for, like, this is literally just break retest and psych level. Obviously, I wouldn't take that. So you got to reduce it a little bit as well. That one obviously is valid 38 fib level, but it actually does work really nice. Which losses do you have on UJ? I realize that's wrong. You have to send them over. Did you do 2023 Litex? Because if so, we can compare them if you want. 23 to 24. Yeah, we need to compare them then. In the next mentorship session, if you want, you can send in your journal and we'll go over the trades and we'll compare who took what and why you took it type thing. And if anyone else wants to do that as well, feel free to do some 2023 backtesting on UJ for the next mentorship session. I've not finished yet. I'm almost finished. Not fully there yet though. And yeah, we'll compare some sheet. But can't lie, UJ does look pretty damn nice. I do have all my lines from previous backtesting, so sorry about that. But yeah, there's honestly not much point, to be honest. I don't know why. I mean, yeah, it's good to do this live stream, but yeah, I mean, everything's going to get smoked, to be honest. Yeah, so there isn't much more to go over. Delete all your limits for Tuesday, unless you want to lose your funded accounts. How's the book reading been? I shouldn't have even read out that question. Shit. It's been basically non-existent. I'll say that. I'll own up. Basically non-existent. I've been looking at the gym, to be fair. I've been doing the gym and the content has come back. I'm on the content as well, so they're my two little commitments at the minute. And trading has been going well, and the journal. I've been fucking going crazy with the back testing and the journal and shit. So, but yeah, the book reading, not so good. I probably should be doing a little bit more with that and spending less time on social media. So yeah, that one not too bad, not too good, sorry. Yeah, I need to make improvements. I do want to go ham with the economics as well. I need to learn a little bit more, to be honest. But again, I need to crack down, to be fair. When's the last time you had chips? As in what? As in chips, as in what? UK chips, as in fries, or you know about like crisps, like potato chips? I know you're American, so I don't know if it's yeah, fries. Probably a few days ago. I don't know, like mid last week, this week. Why? That's such a random question. Yeah, like mid this week. I want to try UK chips. Oh, you're on about like chippy chips. You're not on about fries. These. Nah. You don't. You're. No. These are different. Lytics. Fat. It's not just fat fries. It's chippy chips with salt and vinegar. These, I know they look weird as hell. Yeah, these, crazy. These are proper chippy chips. These are what you want to try. Not them. They're like homemade shit. Yeah, these with salt and vinegar, unreal. Proper fish and chips. But anyway, yeah. Five Guys fried. No, I think they're shite. They're only good because you get a silly amount. No. Yeah, no. No, I'm not too keen. What? Wait. Fish and chips, you don't put vinegar on them? Wait, fam. That's crazy. Fresh McDonald's fries. I mean, yeah, but they're like... Yeah. On the chips we do. Oh, okay, I was going to say. Yeah, salt and vinegar always. But fries, no, of course you don't have vinegar. That's... No. Fries are completely different. Right, sorry, YouTube. We went on a little bit. Who is better to win the election for day traders? Probably Kamala, I reckon, because she'll... I mean, Trump's going to cause a lot of volatility, but I guess that's also good. I mean, I don't think there is a right answer for that, to be honest. What is interesting, though, Lytix was saying... Was it Lytix? Yeah, you mentioned it, didn't you? How it's dropped like fucking crazy. Obviously, Donald Trump was at like 67% highest, I think. Yeah, 67. Okay, pretty much. But it's dropped to like 55. I don't know if that's just obviously like pre-result fear type thing. Now that the elections are actually happening, people are sort of shitting themselves a little bit. But it's interesting how that's like suddenly dropped over the weekend. Well, since last week. I bought Kamala at 33%. No way you actually buy. Sick. Trump can suck an egg. Oh, politics beef. I love how Americans are so... not saying it's a bad thing, but I love how you guys are so like obsessed with the elections. In the UK, no one gave a shit. Like when it comes to like UK elections, who do you want to win? Oh yeah, Starmer. Oh nice. Yeah, sound. I said no one cares. Whereas in the US, like if your neighbor supports Trump, you fucking hate them. You can't be friends with them. You can't talk to them. Like, it's crazy. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but from an outside perspective, at least, it looks like you guys are crazy obsessed. Like it's like literally a movie. Yeah. UK and US are like, I know. Yeah, of course. Yeah. They're completely different. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, they don't really even do campaigns, really. You don't see Keir Starmer going to like all the different bloody counties and stuff. Coming to Liverpool or Manchester and doing a talk. Now people would, yeah. No one gives a shit. No one would care. And you would look like, if you tell your mates, oh yeah, I'm going to see a Keir Starmer rally, you fucking... I'm not going to... Never mind, that's a bit... never mind. I was going to say... yeah. You'd get called a gay boy. That'd be so fun, actually. It does look fun. Anyway, gonna end it there. Sorry, YouTube. I think I've probably been demonetized now for talking about politics and shit. Peace out, YouTube. Thanks.